How's it going? We're here for day 12 of Fergus Tuna Day. I have all of my siblings here in the one room, which is lovely. Maeve, Adrian and Enda. We're gathered together to celebrate our mum's birthday. She had a big birthday recently, which was great. And I suppose she drove us all around the country for long enough, encouraging the music. So we play this one for Mum. It's the Edenderry Read. 1, 2, 3.